and welcome to this segment of the video. This segment has proudly been sponsored by Homestec, and they have sent us this amazing talking flashcard to play with, and this is just a great tool for children 3 years and above. If you guys will remember, Homestec have sent us a couple of writing pads in the past. I reviewed that a couple of months ago, but now they have sent us this talking flashcard, and I will be reviewing that with Daniel today. Daniel, say hello.
Hello.
So it helps with their cognitive skills, their ability to talk fast and pronounce words. So there are a series of cards that you can play with. There are numbers, there are nursery rhymes, there are alphabets, there are careers, there's animals, there's a ton of cards to choose from. The selections are endless. So it has a couple of buttons on here. First off is the power button on here, the charging port. You have a play button and a volume button as well. So Daniel, you want to turn it on?
Yeah.
Flip this. There we go.
Go ahead and insert a card to start the fact. Farmer.
Take the card out and turn it around. Yeah?
Painter.
Painter. Choose another card.
Yes, cool.
Okay, take that one out first.
The sheep one's
Sheep.
Yes, it shows you the sound the sheep makes. Turn it around.
Chicken.
Hello.
Goldfish.
Goldfish.
Mom, we have goldfish at school.
Okay.
Turtle.
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 Fire truck.
What?
One toy. One page.
Alright, so that is our lovely little review of the talking flashcards. You guys, I absolutely love this game. This is such a remarkable toy to play with. It will keep them occupied for God knows how long, because there's that many cards and there are so many outcomes that you could, and it's so good because they can learn to pronounce words with the phonetic sounds, learn nursery rhymes. The writing is there, and they can also get to practice that with the writing pads. They have some amazing tools here with the talking flashcard, and I feel like it is such a great tool to have. Alright, you guys, you know what to do. Head over to their website to get this amazing item. Also, you'll be able to purchase this product using my unique code just to get some discounts while you shop. It is such a great tool. Another thing I wanted to mention before I end this video, so since we got those writing pads, one of the stylus pens got broken. They also replaced the stylus pen once it gets lost or broken. It was one of the services that I told you that they offer, and all I had to do was scan the QR code that came with this writing pads and just fill out a short form, and the stylus pen was replaced. This particular one was the one that got broken, but it was replaced just a couple of days ago, and it came really fast. I feel like it's such a great way for children to learn cognitive skills and, you know, just vocal skills. It also helps them to identify, you know, different animals, parts of the body, nursery rhymes, sing along, pronunciation, enunciation as well. I absolutely love these tools. They are so great. You guys, head over to their website, purchase this amazing item, and come back and thank me later. Alright, you guys, let's get on with the rest of today's video. guys, so we are at home now. Asha, is Daniel sleeping? It's been a long day, you guys, so we are back home now, and after the park we just stopped by at Farm Foods and Aldi. We picked up a few things. I'll show you that for the month of March. March is already halfway, but I just wanted to restock on quite a few things. This is the bread section. We have a pack of tortilla chips. This is the high protein one. We'll pick this up at Aldi. We also got a loaf of Hovey's soft white, 2 rolls of bagel, 2 bags of bagel. These are the original bagels. There are 5 in the pack. We also got some brioche bread, 3 of that. We got this Ariel washing powder. This is just on standby because I still have one that I'm currently using. We picked up some hand wash for the toilets. We got some facial products as well. So this is the Sinos that I usually get at Farm Foods. I picked up their anti-dark spot serum and the anti-aging retinol cream. They're very good and they're affordable as well. I got 2 packs of the cheese and onion flavor crisps. The boys still have some, but I'm just topping up what they have. Also got a bottle of Ribena for the boys. Please ignore my phone. I'm watching The Big Bang Theory. I'm binge watching that. Anyway, I have 2 boxes of Oreos here for the boys. The price is on there. As per usual, the prices of everything will be on the screen. I also got 2 packs of juice, but the boys have opened this one, so that's what's left of the first pack. I got some sea salt, that's for my eggs and stir fry and things like that. I got a pack of eggs. Unfortunately, one of them is broken because I can see that this box is wet underneath. Whether that is my fault or from the store, I really don't know. I'm just too tired to care at this point. We also have 4 tins of plum tomatoes. I have 4 of that for soups and stews. That's what I've switched to because fresh tomatoes are just ridiculously expensive at the moment. I have some onions here. I still have some down this road, but I have this bag of red onions, a couple of red chilies that I'm going to be mixing with some of my pepper. I got about 4 of that. I also got some parsley. This is like the Italian one. This is the sharp ended one. These ones are more flavorful than the curly parsley. I have some maple syrup here, some fairy washing liquid, 2 rolls of kitchen towel. I have some biscuits for the boys as well, hobnobs in 2 flavors. We got some wipes. These wipes are for my face, so for makeup, taking off makeup and cleaning surfaces. We got that one. I also got some Maggi chicken flavor noodles. I got 4 packs of that because the boys go through a lot, and the African store is quite far from where we are, so this is what we're using for now. I got some wonky carrots from Aldi, some brown sugar as per what we use in my household. I don't use white sugar. I prefer the taste of brown sugar. I also got some oranges. I got about 3 bags of oranges. I got 2 bags of apples. These 2 were from Farm Foods. I got a bag of potatoes. These are the red potatoes. It boils well, it roasts well. You can do any and everything with these red ones, and I like the taste and the feel of it. Like, it's very firm. I also picked up 6 red peppers. I think it was about 59 pence for one. I picked up 6 of that from Aldi. I also got a bag of brown onions from Aldi, and I picked up these 2 at Farm Foods. Over here is the freezer section, and I think I bought more frozen things this month than usual. have a slab of bacon here. This is the smoked back bacon. This is going in the freezer. I picked up some mince, and this was about £5 and change for one. They didn't have a combo deal for this, so I just bought them individually. This is what it looks like, and it's quite a good size though. And I like that it's not frozen like the ones I get in Aldi. I can just break them into my pot. I also picked up some straight cut chips. This is 2 for £6. It's 2 bags for £6. It used to be 2 for £5, but now it's 2 for £6. I got this 8 hot and spicy crispy chicken skewers. So they're like chicken skewers, the 8 of them in the bag. And I got 3 packs. This came in a combo of 3 for £13. I also picked up some chicken nuggets for the boys for their chips and noodles and everything they eat. They really like this brand, so I bought 2 bags of that. I bought some king prawns, and this is the £19 one that I usually get at Farm Foods. Over here I have some Soyland steaks, and these are just the ones that we use for like our barbecue night and things like that. I have a very nice barbecue sauce that I'm looking to try out. I got that one from the Degusta box. I also got 2 bags of chicken wings, and these ones last a lot. The boys really love chicken wings, so I bought 2 bags of that, and I bought 2 bags of chicken thigh. This is a really good brand of drumsticks. They're quite sizable as well. Look at that in comparison to my hand. So yeah, that is everything. That's everything we got from Aldi and Farm Foods. Total of everything was about £200 and change. I try to do this video once a month just to carry along on our shopping and the kind of deals that we get from the stores that we patronize here in West Beach. Let me know if this was a good buy or a good deal, and if you also get some of these items in a cheaper store that I can find where I am. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.